Let's talk about writing, and I mean really talk. There are some thoughts and fears I struggle with as a writer. The first one is I'm not a real writer. Another one is I'll never finish writing this book I've been working on over 5 years. Another one is to admit that I'm procrastinating in the name of learning the craft. And the biggest one is I'll stop enjoying writing. Does any of this sound familiar to you? I think a lot about these things, the hopelessness and the confusion. They're crippling at times. But then there is this comfort in knowing that I'm not alone in thinking of these things. And that's why this community is so important. This space, this YouTube channel is so important to me. Sometimes these demons speak in loud voices, but thankfully with each passing year, I know this to be true, that these demons do lose their voice, that this period of self-doubt is temporary. There are things we can do to pull ourselves out of the gloom and build our confidence, but we can figure it out. But often it's not easy to find the right kind of resources and find them soon enough. What helps me is get out of my own way, get out of the pity party that I've thrown myself. Nothing is going to work if I sit in this self-doubt. Acknowledge my feelings, of course, that's important. Let myself be in that space for some time, but then also know how to slowly climb out of that headspace. I like to journal to clear my head. I have writer friends who leave themselves little notes when they are experiencing bursts of creative energy, because they know that that's going to change soon enough. And when we are in a good mindset, it's easy to battle self-doubt. So leaving these notes helps them battle those self-doubts during the hard times. Try different things, because that's the only way to know if something will really work for you, and if what you've been doing all along is not working now. It's time to try different things. Try something that hasn't worked before but might work this time. And this leads to the next point. Take action. No matter how big or small, take action. Write one sentence, one paragraph, one page, doesn't matter. What matters is that you do something that is physical and tangible. I know that not every story you will write will be published, but every story you write is worth telling, and you have everything that you need to tell that story. If you're new to writing and you don't know where to start, then start with the free workbook that I have. If you fill it out, at the end, you'll have a brief outline of your story that's been in your head and in your heart. This video has all the details, and I'll see you in the next one.